Well, here we are about to recreate the sample video that was supplied by Sainsmart, and they take a mega shield populated with NRF and 6050 and plug it in to the USB. Make sure the USB is on. The lights came on temporarily on the shield and slowly fading on the 6050, which doesn't look good. So they take one of the motors and they plug it in, and in accordance with the supplied documentation, the red wire is motor plus, which one assumes is the 12 volt, and nothing. And for completeness, we'll do the same on the other side. Nothing, as expected really. So I'll disconnect all that lot and reassemble something different. Okay. I've now replaced that shield with the NRF and 650 onto the original board. Remember, this is the one with the damaged capacitor, but this has had a small amount of success when powered by 12 volts and not the USB, but I will power it with the USB as per the supplied video. So we plug that in there. Lights come up temporarily and start fading, and we plug a motor in. Nothing. Plug a motor in. Nothing, as expected. What I will try is disconnecting the USB, plugging the 9 volt battery in, which is now supplying power to the board and the 6050, which is a very good sign. And I will plug a motor in, but nothing. And for completeness, I'll plug the other motor in, and for perhaps even more completeness, I will switch on the controller, which has gone into waiting mode. So we do have another test we can carry out, because we were sent another shield and we had the new shield. So that was the replacement shield, and that was the shield with the second kit. So I'll try those as well. Let's get the battery out. Let's disconnect the motors. Let's pop the shield off. Come on. And we will pop the second kit shield on, if we are able to. Challenge with these wibbly wobbly pins as always. One of these is misbehaving, or at least one of them. In it goes. Seated, as far as it can go anyway. Let's put the 6050 on, and the NRF, do the test, at least in the way that it was prescribed, which is with the USB, bing bong bing, and plug a motor in. Nothing. And for completeness, we'll just plug the other motor in. Nothing. You can see the Mega is on, it's powered, but there's no lights on the shield at all. So in that configuration I will unplug the USB, plug in the 9-volt battery, Mega come up, no lights on shield. As expected, really, because as I say, the shields aren't working, certainly not with these Megas. So we'll disconnect that. There's really only one other test we can do, and we'll do it, which is to put the replacement shield, which is the one I marked with the black line there, onto the original Mega, which is the one that worked most of the time, or has worked once. Most of the time worked until it was powered up by batteries for the motors. Okay, as per first test. Oops, unplug that. We forgot to transfer the NRF and 6050. So back where we were. Bing bing bong. Bing bong bong. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. And just for completeness, controller still waiting. Well, final test, power with the 9-volt. And nothing.